Removing the door card on the IS200. On the IS200 there are two ways that you can remove the wiring for the door card. So you can either leave all the components in position and once the door card is loose remove the wiring afterwards, or you can remove the components and disconnect the wiring prior to removing the door card. So I'm going to remove the components. You can start with the marker light, remove from this side and disconnect the wiring on the back. The door controls are removed by inserting a tool at this end and there's clips halfway down and at the end, and the wiring disconnects like that. There are only two screws on the door card. One of them is at the bottom of the interior handle. And the other is behind this little cover here. Now this plastic needs to be removed. There is a knack to doing this, so if you stick the tool in at the top like that and then move to the end, it's just one trim clip you can remove from the outside. Now using a large pry tool like LTF-2, you can start prying at the bottom of the door card. Now the door card is off its clips and can be lifted off the ridge at the top. Now at this point, if the components were still in situ, then you would need to reach behind and disconnect these wiring connectors.